There is value in forgiveness. There are spiritual practices solely based on forgiveness. Forgive everyone for everything. However, when we forgive too soon, it can do three things that are detrimental. First, it pushes the emotional hurt back into the subconscious mind, resulting in denial of the hurt feelings like anger, frustration, sadness, or pain. So you feel bad and don't know why. Second, since there is still hurt in the system, mind has to find some reason to rationalize it, justify it, to make sense of it, or to put that responsibility somewhere. Then, the most often, we conclude it has got to be about me. It's my mistake, my karma, my inability. This sets an undertone, a sort of subliminal feeling of unfairness, unfairness of life, of God, of word, of something. And forgiveness implies not to blame the other person. So the emotional energy goes down from blame to guilt. Guilt is an energetically lower, more contracting energy than blame. It further disconnects us from our own body's natural ability to heal and get our own internal guidance. Now, there can be self awareness about your part in the whole situation. Releasing the other person may leave you with the guilt for all of it. Emotion of guilt calls for punishment, and festering hurt left for a long time, two things combined, is a perfect recipe for an illness in the making. I come across both types of people. Ones who don't want to forgive, obviously, that puts an extra stress on the system. And also, there are people with strong religious or spiritual inclinations who think it is noble to forgive. These people often tend to forgive too soon. We cannot always make a decision to forgive. It is not always a cerebral process. If the damage is small, say you cut your finger, a simple band aid would be enough. For a small emotional hurt, sometimes making a decision to forgive could release remaining anger or hurt. If the wound is bigger, you need to clean it up, give it appropriate dressing. It will require time, care, and support, maybe even a cast. Forgiveness here for a bigger emotional wound will take some time and work of venting out with loving care, attention, and support. And when the damage is big, say someone got run over by a truck or fell down from a building, you do need professional help. Trying to forgive here when you have been through a trauma, it's a big hurt, without fully releasing the hurt is outright harmful. Just because the emotional wounds are not visible does not mean they don't hurt. And just because you can distract yourself, you can laugh at a joke or get busy with your work, does not mean that hurt will just vanish. Feelings buried alive never die. I hope you do forgive only after getting over the hurt and integrating the learning from that. So, something like that does not happen again, or even if it does, then you are better equipped to deal with it without getting hurt again. That is when forgiveness happens naturally, because now you can appreciate the gains more than the loss. I hope this was helpful.